Okay.
That sucks. It's like
Look
my
at
kids
that.
last year.
Some zucchini squash, some salmon, some zucchini squash. Oh, fogged up the lens. Can't see nothing. Oh my gosh.
You're forgetting the fettuccine alfredo.
Oh, mamma mia, why is he doing this? Come on, unfog. Darn it. Okay. There's literally somebody shooting turkeys back here.
Seriously.
We gotta get the drone. I'm gonna fly the drone and see what's going on. I got the drone. It's on full charge. Go back here and see who's shooting something.
You just put the whole bag in the fridge.
See, I can do that. As long as I'm above my property, I can see whatever's going on. They can't say nothing.
Pay attention.
All right, so we're having a get together, having some salmon, avocados.
Avocado.
Yes, avocados.
Oh.
Salmon, yeah, avocados.
And some life-changing cotton candy grapes I've never had in my
Yes,
life.
Omar's never had them.
They're so good. You're missing out if you haven't had these
He's
before.
going to
They
cry.
are good. Look at this. See, cotton candy. My question is, how did they make grapes taste like cotton candy? Comment below. Let me know what you think. How
Legit
do they
tastes
do
like
it?
cotton candy.
Yeah,
I don't
like
understand it.
how do they do it? Now they don't inject it with any kind of flavoring, but it's the way that they are kind of bred. You know how fruits and stuff are bred? Well, it's a genetic thing. They somehow mess with it. It's not GMO. It's natural, but it's how they grow it. It's like
I think I know how they do it.
you got it.
They probably grow the grapes from
Yeah.
actual cotton candy.
Just good old-fashioned plant breeding. Kane and his team of International Fruit Genetics in Bakersfield, California, made the cotton candy grape by hybridizing 2 different grape species. So the designer fruit is actually a hybrid, like
It's a hybrid.
like peacherines and Shermans.
Like a BMW i8. It's hybrid.
So there's
It's delicious.
something called a peacherine, like a peach in a tick.
A pizzerine. There you go. Cotton candy.
It's so good.
Man. Yeah, those are addicting, man. And it's like I only see them like a certain time of the year in the stores, and I go for them because they're so good. It tastes like cotton candy. You're not even eating cotton candy. Oh, we got some pineapple. We'll be back, hopefully.
I got some
I think.
protection crystals for you.
Oh, that right here. Awesome, man.
Put that on just for tonight.
Okay,
That's Tiffany's, but I'm gonna let you borrow it.
I got my holy water. Shoot. I guess we'll just we're gonna go now. So that's gonna be it. Here it is, the fire pit, right there in the yard. So now I'm just gonna light a fire, right? Have a barbecue or something, like roast marshmallows out here. That's what I'm gonna do. Oh man, there's bugs out here. Oh. Hey guys, we have a new merch store for our channel. So if you're interested in any of our merch, you can go ahead and check the link in the video description and also towards the end of the video and under the video so you can visit our new merch store.